Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace cabin air filter on Mazda CX-7. Not very complicated procedure, not very many people think of that, but it's pretty much nasty. This one has 136,000 miles as of right now, so we want to see what the filter looks like. Stay with us, we'll show you how to remove it, how to replace it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and let's grow the channel together. Alright guys, and if you clean your car and it still smells bad, or you smell cigarettes or something like that, cabin air filter is the reason for that. So in order to remove, guys, and clean the filter or replace it, okay, you need to empty the glove box. And now right here there is a stop on the side. Okay, let me get a good view because it's a little bit dark in there. And you need to push it out of the way. Okay, all the way out. That's the one I'm talking about here. And then we have the stops right here. So what do you need to do? You need to push it towards the inside. Okay, until it jumps. Okay, let me do that quick now. You need to grab it with two hands, because this one is super tight. Okay, this one came out and it went back in. Okay, so those are the things I was talking about. You can see right here and the one here, and they get stuck on this stuff here. So you can pull the glove box not to be in the way. That's the thing that we unhooked at first. So it hooks down there. Okay, and this is the cabin air filter where it's located. You need to pull that lid. Remember the arrows, go down. Okay, let's see how nasty that thing is. And have the feeling that it will be bad, really bad. Yep, let's go outside and see how much stuff we can get out of it now. Alright guys, that's the filter. Okay, watch now what's gonna come out of there. Okay, you can see all the stuff, all the dust flying everywhere. So yeah, inside everything looks black. Look at that thing, it's all the way plugged up. You can see what it's supposed to look like, white, okay, like that, but it's pretty much done. We're going to clean it. We're going to clean it with the vacuum until we order one. Then you can spray it with Febreze. We're going to show you. Kills the bacteria and makes it smell real nice. Okay, so just go ahead and clean it with the vacuum now. Okay, some Febreze now to spray, and it's very important how you install it again. Don't forget about the arrow, it needs to be down. We'll go ahead and install it quick now. Okay, so we can just go ahead and install it there. It goes in an angle. It's a little bit of a tight fit there, but you will get it in. And you need to install the lid, remember, with the arrows down, and that's how the filter should be pointing as well. Arrows down, because that's the airflow. Then you need to get the glove box and you need to just go ahead, push it in. Okay, push up to lock, and you need to install the little lock on the side. That's the one that prevents it from going down too fast when you open the glove box. Okay, and let's see if it works now. Yep, everything works perfect. So that will be it, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.